second day of the Earn a Trade Challenge. Made back what I lost yesterday and some more. I'm doing it live, the whole challenge on the YouTube. If that's of interest to you, make sure you follow, subscribe, and markets open. Seems like Rhythmic is also struggling with the heat. Seems like she wants let's go to 1 minute. Let's go to a 1 minute. So for me, no longs until we one trade back above the opening price, or two close the gap, and or we create a failed auction on the downside. Like see the sweep here, whatever. Aggressive entry, better risk to reward, safer entry. So there's time to wait for, I think, if she wants to go up. But at the moment, this could move 960s. That seems about right. 960s. Whoa, my freaking lines were not in the right order. Position. Gap close is freaking lower. Damn deep charts. So I think it's like a 60% probability if price opens like this with a gap to the upside and she fails the opening price, there's a 65% chance she's closing the gap. A lower high would be ideal. Don't want to enter here on structure. Yes, this could melt, but there's also the probability to do a little retest and then go. Can anticipating that more. Increase my sound. What do you mean? Am I silent? Shouldn't be silent. My gain should be good. I think everything is struggling because of the heat. See what happens though. A little bit more of a push would be nice. Kind of want to have it higher, but this is where a buyer stepped into, so I'm not a fan of entering at this level. But I don't have to be a fan to It's definitely not the close I'm looking for. Up would be nice. Up and then down. Like somewhat past that point or try to retest it. Like trap them buyers one more time. This could be the move. It's the same thing as before. In a way, I don't want to see those big trades get broken, so I could, from that point of view, protect myself here. about to hit 1R soon. It's 1R. Kind of want to see a little bit of a push here. Looking for these 60s, nice 60s here. I kind of want to, I don't like to see this here. The seller's pushing hard, unable to push through. I still have this volume split analysis zone of support for my idea. Kind of want to see it go for the lows right now. Low volume. Damn, I will check that in a minute, man. Ah, that's a batch. One push, one push. Okay, I'm trailing 1R here. Stop still should have been up there if I really. But I think opening up the day with 1R trade is not a bad thing. Squeezing 2Rs. Maybe 3Rs. Gap close is getting very obvious at this point. When she hits gap close, I will be really tight. Trailing the big trades here. More trailing. Push, push. One push. It's a very obvious play at this point, the gap close, so I kind of want to 2R locked. Out. Gap close. Nice. Could have gone a 3R, but poof. So currently already down 664 points in one move. That's insane. Why did I even take profit? Like so from a 15-minute orb, auction is down, very obviously. Kind of want to see it still roll over prior range lows. It's just a question, after 600 points down, do I really want to be super aggressive on the lows here. Damn, was this short? Damn. That would have been super aggressive. Does she really want to melt? I'm shorting the lows here, which I'm not a big fan of, but this thing is melting. And the move is obvious towards the lows, and I want to be involved in the market if the move is obvious. At this point, I could even don't want to see that level gained, to be honest. Can I see the rejection here on that move? It's not rejecting. That is not a rejection. I'm going break even here. Prior range low. Thank you very much, please. Probably will be very aggressive against these levels here when she starts hitting that. And or potentially take the 1R. Already down 700 points. This could shoot up real quick. The buyer stepping in, they're just getting absorbed hard at the moment. 1R is all the way down here. So if buyers step in here and they're unable to push through, for me this is a valid trail. This is already 700 points down. Sweating my balls off. See, buyers just getting hammered. Again, buyers stepping in. Price flushing down. It's really good for downside. Really good. I'm gonna chill my 1R here. If she melts, these are bounce levels. If she melts it, good. If she doesn't, good. That's fine. It's not a bad day already. 1900. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. So really the only goal here is to keep the drawdown as low as possible. At least no more as 1500. That's the only goal in this challenge I'm doing here on the live stream. If I do that, the rest will take care of it. Yeah. And then the other thing is just to the average loser, average winner, the ratio between it. Awesome. Same thing for the max worst trade and the max losing trade, winning trade. The 1 to 2 or more. Awesome. Then that minus $1,500 drawdown will just won't be a thing.